What if your documents could talk back? Well, now they do. I turned a pile of unsearchable PDF into an AI assistant. Hi, I am Rishabh, and I have built a fully custom retrieval augmented generation system that searches, understands, and answers questions from any collection of PDF. And the best part, it can work on any domain. Just add your own PDF document and it works. In this quick video, I'll show you what RAG actually is, a quick demo of my app, how I built it, what tech stack I used, and finally, what I learned from it and why it is useful for you. So here's the simplest way to understand RAG. ChatGPT is powerful, but it does not know your documents. RAG changes that. It takes your PDFs, extracts text from it, cleans it, breaks it into chunks, embed those chunks into a vector database. And when you ask a question, it retrieves only the most relevant piece of information. The LLM then generates an answer grounded to this context. That means the responses you get are accurate, source based, and tailored to your data, not just model's imagination. All right, let me show you this app in action. I'll ask it a simple question: is mental health treatment covered in India? Now you can ask this question to ChatGPT and it might give you an answer. But here we get the exact source for the answer. I'll give you another example. Uh, so here's another question: what documents are required to process a death claim? And again, in just a few seconds, it should give us the exact answer and also the source it has retrieved this answer from. So how did I build a RAG chatbot? I first started by Googling how to build a RAG chatbot. Uh, the first step is to get your PDFs. Next, pre-process those PDFs. That means extracting the text, cleaning it, chunking it, embedding it. I've used OpenAI's text embedding 3 large model for the embedding, and I've used ChromaDB as my vector store. For retrieval and query handling, I've used Fast API for the backend, and for the front end, I've used Streamlit for user interface. The entire workflow is orchestrated via LangChain. LangChain is helpful because it reduces a lot of boilerplate, and the entire app runs locally. So you could clone the repository and try it out. Also, you could just feed it your own PDFs and make it work for any domain. Now, what did this project teach me and why should you care? This project pushed me beyond just calling an LLM API. I learned how to develop a complete end-to-end RAG system, integrate vector database, work with different embedding and LLM model, and design effective prompts. But why does this matter to you? Today, every company has tons of documents from customer support material to internal policies, legal files, or compliance docs, or even your college rule book. Turning all of that into your personal AI assistant is an amazing skill and extremely valuable as well. Now I know how to do it, and honestly, you should too.